How to access voice recordings on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. From here, open Voice Memos. Once you're in, go to All Recordings. Then, select an audio from the recording, play it. Tap on the three dots over here. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Edit Recording option. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Trim to crop the audio file. Then, tap on Done at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can also delete the audio by tapping on the delete icon over here. So by following these simple steps, you can easily access voice recordings on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.